Magluluto tayo ng isang dish galing sa Ilocos. Para siyang tortang talong, pero kakaiba yung luto niya dahil it's made like an omelette, hindi yung buo yung ating talong. Ang tawag nito ay poki-poki. Totoo, seryoso ako. Yun talaga yung pangalan. This is a dish that is simple and affordable. Yun ang hanap natin sa mga ganitong mga panahon na medyo nagmamahalan na lahat, no? And eto, ang ating talong, our eggplants. Tatanggalin natin yung kanyang stems. And napakasimple, eto siya, lalagyan natin ng eggs. Hindi naman to lahat. We will be using around 7 eggs kasi pang buong pamilya tong ating recipe. And 7. Ganyan, beat our eggs para maging malinamnam at masarap yung ating ulam for today. Lalagyan natin ng Maggi Magic Sarap, a little bit of meatiness to our ulam. Black pepper, mix. Yan. And on the other side, heat our pan, little bit of oil. And gisa-gisa tayo. Gisa our garlic para bumango. Yan. Onions. Kung meron tayong leeks, masarap din, spring onions. Gisa-gisa natin. And mga 1 minute yung gisa. Then kamatis. Kung marami ka pang kamatis, pwede mo pang dagdagan. Konting asin sa ating gisa just to bring out the flavor. Yan. Mix. Dagdagan na natin ng konting oil. Not too much. Konti lang. And, eto, before pa maging sobrang init yung ating pan, ilalagay natin yung ating eggplant mix. Gentle cooking. Yan, no? Mix. Actually, itong ating poki-poki, it's really a free form. Hindi siya yung nakatorta talaga. Ito, flip lang natin or halo-halo lang natin para maluto siya. Yan. So, napakadali niya ng sistema. Instead ka magluto ng torta pa isa-isang talong, eto, mas mabilis, cook at one time, but just as good and as delicious. Yan, oh. And guys, kung hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe sa Simple.ph YouTube channel, eto, marami tayong recipes sa lulutuin. Very practical, easy to follow, and surely magagamit mo sa everyday cooking mo. Hindi lang pang espesyal, pero alam mo, importante kasi natin yung everyday na ulam eh. Diba? And it's almost done. We just want our eggs to set. Masarap yan, I promise you. Eto, medyo malasado ng konti sa loob. That's going to be perfect. And now, I will plate this very easy to do dish, ang ating Ilocano style na tortang talong, which is called the poki-poki. Look at that, oh. Ang sarap niya. Ito na yung ating finished dish. Ito, as is, masarap na siya. Pero, we can make it fancier. Kung may budget at kung trip nyo, ito, mayonnaise. Not traditional to ha. Huwag kayong magalit. And, of course, pag torta, ketchup. So, ginawa natin, presentation lang, di ba? Di ba? Would you believe tortang talong, poki-poki, ganyan yung presentation? Looks so fancy. And lalagyan natin ng konting fried garlic pa sa taas. Konti lang ng fried garlic. At kakain na tayo. Kayo, natatakam ba kayo? Pero sa akin, kulang pa siya ng ketchup. More ketchup. And let us taste. So comforting. Mm. Mm. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung ating recipe today, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Marami tayong recipes and other features. Hindi lang cooking tayo, ha? And this is such a delicious recipe. And there are more on Simple.ph website. Kaya check out nyo yan and try this recipe at home. And ito na, ang ating ulam for today, on a budget and made very simple for you, poki-poki or tortang talong. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.